Hey guys, today I have with me Samsung Galaxy M12. The smartphone offers a 6.5-inch HD Plus display having a pixel density of 270 ppi with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Samsung Galaxy M12 has a bezel-less notch display. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes with a quad camera setup. On the bottom, you will see the Samsung branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes with a Samsung Exynos 8 octa-core chipset with 8nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Samsung Galaxy M12 offers a 6000 mAh battery powered by a 15-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 48-megapixel primary camera supported by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers an 8-megapixel front camera. The software version of the Samsung Galaxy M12 is Android 11 with Samsung One UI. So guys, that's it for Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching this video.